I'm Phil Huber from the Woodsmith shop, here with another router table tip on getting clean cuts. There are some materials, like this cherry, that you can easily get burn marks when you're routing a profile. They can be really challenging to try and eliminate through sanding without spoiling the profile. But there's a way that you can eliminate the burn marks quickly and easily. What I do is when I know that I'm working with woods like this, I'm going to put a strip of masking tape on either side of the router table fence. Now when I route the profile and get the burn marks, I can eliminate it by making a fine skim cut. All I need to do is peel away the masking tape and make just one more pass. The thickness of the tape allows you to take a really light skim cut and remove all the burn marks in one light pass. If you'd like more great router table tips like this, sign up for my class, Router Table Basics, at creativehomeclasses.com.